Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I wanted to talk about belts. And what brings us to this subject is when I posted I had OEM belts at a good price. I had one guy, maybe two, I don't remember. It was one or two, commented and said you can get the same belt on eBay. Well, I told him that you couldn't because I'd been down that rabbit hole before. And I'm going to show you why in today's video that you can't get the same OEM belt off of eBay. Now, I'll have an eBay listing right here, the exact listing that I bought the belt off of. And because when he said that, I went down a rabbit hole and I looked because he said it was whatever price, it was dirt cheap. And I said, man, if I can get them off of eBay and still sell them for the same price as what I sell these, I'd get rich, right? It makes sense for a business owner to do that. Not really, but let's think logically here. Why would I buy from my supplier that I pay significantly more for when I could buy from eBay and sell to you guys and put a crap load of money in my pocket while doing it? Well, that's not how R.N.G rolls around here. We try to be as fair as possible on our pricing to help you guys, the consumer, save money to put it into something else. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and show you the two belts. I'm going to go over the belts with you, and then we're going to talk about which one is which. They look almost identical, but they are different. So here we have the first belt of our choice, and as you can see, it's a Mitsubishi belt, and it gives you the numbers and everything, and then it has the second set of belt identification numbers. Take a good look at these numbers, and this is going to be belt number 1. Take a good look at them. This is going to be belt number 2. Take a good look at those. Looks the same, kind of, right? Did you notice a difference? Difference between this lettering versus the difference between the lettering on that belt. We're going to stack the belts side by side so you can get a good side look at them and see that they are different there. A good look side by side from the top, and you can get a good look there. Now it's going to be a little hard here, but let's show the insides if we can. There you go. Can you see? They're both different, even though they claim to be the same belt. Now, am I going to sit here and say Mitsubishi doesn't make both of these belts? No, because I can't prove it. But what I can prove is they're not the exact same belt. Now, belt number 1 here is the OEM belt for CFMOTO. Belt number 2 here is not the OEM belt from CFMOTO. It is the eBay belt. Now, would this belt work? Possibly. Will it work as good as this one? I doubt it. Now we're going to break out our calipers. We're going to set it to 0, just like so. Zeroed out. We're going to put it on this belt here. Now remember, the width is 34.27. We'll go a couple spots because all belts will vary. 34.58. 35 on the, no, 34.93. Okay, keep these numbers in remembrance. Now we're going to remember, or we're going to measure the belt thickness. Get a good bite there. 15.5. Are you done settling? 15.47. We're going to go to the eBay belt. Hold on, let me get a good bite. 35.90. Get a good bite. Let's try this down here. 15.54. 35.43, 35.31, 32. So guys, the moral of the story is, you can't believe everything is true. If it's too good to be true, it most likely is. Now, could I still sell this belt and it be fine? I don't know, maybe. Am I gonna sell it and put my name behind it? No. It's going back. I'm gonna return it. If you want a genuine OEM belt, I have them on my store, R.N.G.performance.net. However, if you want to get one through your local dealer, John Hester, Current RV, whoever, get one because you know that your dealer is going to have a genuine belt. Don't trust the eBay listing belts. Like I said, I can't prove that Mitsubishi does not make this belt. I'm not here to claim that they don't. What I am here to claim, though, is it is a different belt. It looks different in every way. It measures different in every way. And the reason why we run OEM belts in our machines is because I've had the best luck. I got 2,600 miles out of my ZForce 800 on a factory belt. I'm so far, I think up in the 300-mile range so far on the CForce, and you guys actually know how I abuse and beat that thing. And every time I take that clutch apart, which is often because I get mud inside it from kicking it up in the rear wheel, we'll be digging into that soon, I measure it, and it still measures within spec. This thing, running 30s. I only have 77 miles on it. My clutch kit in it, of course. And the OEM belt is fine. I have had bad luck with other non-OEM aftermarket belts, but I've also had good luck with some of them also. But the video isn't for that. The video is simply, is it a must or is it a bust? You guys choose where you want to get your belt from, and if it's from me, you can be guaranteed to get an OEM CFMOTO belt. If it's through another dealer of your choosing, you can probably be guaranteed that they're going to give you a CFMOTO OEM belt. They have no reason to sell an eBay special. But if you get it from a non-CFMOTO dealer or not me, you may get the eBay special. But now you know what they look like and how to tell the difference. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Peace out and God bless. If you'd be so kind to hit the thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and think about becoming a channel member to help what we do here at R.N.G. Peace out. God bless. We'll see you in the next one.